You're funny, kid. Alright, so today we're playing with dry ice.
I want to play with it.
Okay, you can play with it, but you have to be safe. Hold on. Are you gonna say hi? Caden, say hi. Wave at the camera.
I need gloves on. Hi. I need gloves.
Oh, there's the hi. Alright, so we have dry ice and water in here.
I need gloves.
Okay, we'll get you gloves. Let me get the kids some gloves. Safety first when playing with dry ice. It is very dangerous. It will burn your skin. You want some gloves on? Okay, they're a little big, but we'll put some on them anyway. He wants some gloves on. Other hand, I'm not gonna wear gloves. Not because I shouldn't or anything, but these are mediums. We ordered nitrile gloves and the wrong size came in, so they don't fit well. Okay, I got them on. These are mediums. If my hands are any kind of wet at all, they do not fit. Alright, go sit down. You want some help, Ren, or you got it? So, always safety first. Don't use nitrile gloves.
Put these on.
Huh?
I don't know how.
Okay. These are kind of big on you. So they go like this, and just try to stuff your face or your hand in there as best you can. That's good. Nitrile gloves are a little dangerous when dealing with dry ice, and I'll show you why. So in this container here, we have dry ice and rubbing alcohol, which this is a nitrile glove.
No,
Now this thing,
I can't put this one on.
I'm going to show you why it's dangerous to use rubber gloves. You should really use like gardening gloves, leather gloves, or anything else, because this is a nitrile glove and rubbing alcohol and dry ice, and it's not as cold as it should be, but as you can see, this is not manageable. I did not use this glove before. I just literally just took the glove and dropped it in there, and it feels like plastic.
I want to feel it. I want to
But
feel it.
it's very hard.
I got the gloves on.
Okay. So it's not very cold. That's why I'm gonna let him do this. I mixed it kind of weak because I knew I was gonna have kids in here. All right, so feel it. What does it feel like?
I feel a piece of ice.
What's it feel like? I know you feel ice, but does it feel like rubber or does it feel like plastic?
Rubber.
Rubber. All right, let me see it then. That means it's okay. It is definitely warmed up. Hold on. Let's put it back in there. All right, we're gonna put that in there while we're mixing that around. All right, so we got our dry ice here. I'm gonna put a little bit more in this container.
Put some on my hand.
Like I said, use leather gloves. This stuff is extremely cold. Hey, careful. Alright, so this is actually warm water. It's warm tap water.
I got the glove.
I can feel the warmth. Is that cold or warm? Touch it. It's warm water. Alright, so we're going to pour this in here. Now I have found warm water and dry ice gives a much better reaction than room temperature or anything else.
I feel ice.
Alright, what's it feel like now?
Hard.
It's hard?
And plastic.
It feels like plastic, right? It's not as flexible.
Ow.
Alright, take the glove off. And that's what I was saying. You gotta be careful. So, liquid alcohol and dry ice is kind of like what is known as like a poor man's liquid nitrogen. Personally, I don't think it's that cold. I can reach my hands in there. But it is very cold if you leave it in contact. I know how to warm up my hands, so. But it is very cold, so be careful. Careful. Watch your fingers. You don't have gloves on. Once those dry off, you can put them back on. Let me give you a paper towel. Don't touch that without gloves on. Hey, no. Stop. He doesn't listen all the time, but that's okay. dry the gloves off. Alright, so I'm gonna take a piece of paper. Is that cool? Now don't worry, this pot it's cool to the touch. The water is cold, but I've had colder water come out of a fridge into a bottle. All the dry ice is in the bottom. There is dry ice in there, like such as this, but it's all the way in the bottom. He's not going to stick his hands all the way in there. But so if he sticks his hands in there and grabs a little piece of ice, it's not going to hurt. Is that cool? But definitely take precaution. Know your children. Know what they do. So I'm going to take a piece of paper and I'm going to shove it down in to the rubbing alcohol that has been mixed in with dry ice, which it's considered poor man's nitrogen. Or liquid nitrogen. I have liquid nitrogen coming on Friday. I'm gonna see what the difference is. I mean, it definitely makes. Here, let me drip some of this off. So it definitely makes it sound completely different. Okay, that's a little cold. But like these don't really make any sound. And this makes like a plasticky sound. The more I get on my hands, the colder it does get. So let's see what happened to our paper. So the rubbing alcohol is definitely like a gel. But I don't... Careful, little one! Just flinging the cold water out. It's definitely stiffer, but I don't...
Put the glove on.
It's definitely cold. I don't want to hold it too long. But
The glove is dry. Hey, the glove
it's
is
still
dry.
paper-like. I don't feel that it's... Like, I see a lot of videos where they take rubbing alcohol, dry ice, they mix it around, and I mean, we still have chunks of dry ice, and the rubbing alcohol is like a goop. It's not really watery. You can see it's definitely like goopy and slimy, and it's still on the spoon, like goopy. And this is a clean spoon. You can see, I mean, we have stuff that is just chunky ice. But it's not as cold as I see some of these videos. These videos are taking flowers, pieces of paper, they're dipping it, immerging it in the alcohol, the solution or the poor man's liquid nitrogen, and it's just like crystallizing it to where you can take it and shatter it. I mean, the glove, well, now the glove is warmed up, so it's rubbery. It was definitely getting hard and stiff.
He's throwing his gloves in.
Dude, what are you doing?
My girl, try it.
Not a big deal. Like I said, the water is, maybe it's cool,
I'm
but
gonna
it's...
touch the ice.
No, don't touch the ice. You can touch the water though.
Oh,
It's cold. I have let the ice sit so long.
Oh my god, my glove is...
Is that cold?
cold?
Yeah. Like I said, I've let the ice sit so long. I can hold the ice in my hands. It's not gonna... You'd have to squeeze it, and even then, it's not gonna give you any kind of frostbite.
I want to hold the
I mean, it
ice.
literally just kind of crumbles apart at this
Can
point.
I hold the ice?
And then, like I said, there is a big chunk in the bottom. They're not touching that. And I've got it deep. I mean, it's a deep pan. You can see my hand goes all the way to the bottom before I can even grab it. They're not going to stick their hand that far in the cold. Alright, so... Anyway, I've got this mixed around. It's been sitting in the alcohol solution far longer than anybody set the flowers or anything. And they pull the flour out.
Ew!
And they crumble.
No!
No, the paper is still... I mean, it's cold, don't get me wrong. It is cold, but it's not crunchy. It's not, I mean, it still tears like paper. It kind of actually resembles wax paper. So,
I want to see what happens if I do.
I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but this is 91% rubbing alcohol and dry ice. And I mean, I've definitely got enough in there. It's been sitting for almost an hour and it still has
I'm
chunks
dipping the pepper.
of dry ice. You can see there's solid chunks
Look,
of ice.
I'm dipping the pepper.
Go ahead. That's just water and it's just water.
Whoa,
It's not
it
very
ripped. It ripped.
It ripped, but it's just cold water. It's just cold. That's all. It feels like refrigerated water. It feels like water that you drink, right? That's about
I'm
as
gonna
cold as a bottle of water, right?
I'm gonna drop the
So
whole thing.
you can see as
I'm gonna
as
drop
it,
the whole thing in.
sits for a while, we just added a pitcher of warm water. It's now to the temperature of about refrigerated water, like if you were to refrigerate a bottle of water. I mean, it's cold. It's definitely uncomfortable, but
Oh my
it's
God,
not any
it
kind of
ripped!
dangerous. So-
It ripped it.
It ripped, but we're looking for the shattering. I'm not getting the shattering effect. Get your hand out of there, boy. No, I won't let them stick their hand in this.
I got a nice.
This is, like I
I got
said,
it
this
nice.
is definitely cold.
I got a
mean, I
tiny-
can touch it,
Oh, the ice is
but-
cold.
it starts to burn. But I can't get it cold enough.
Hey, you just moved.
It's just water. Hey, then don't throw the water. You can see there's getting water everywhere.
Oh my God, I got a bunch of ice.
Put it back in there, please. Thank you. So it actually is getting cold enough that it's actually collecting ice on the top.
Wait,
That's pretty cool. And there is still
A big chunk.
a couple chunks in here.
I'm gonna
I have this chunk. I got this chunk, and I am moving them
I
around.
want the big chunk. I touched it.
If you let them sit, you can get frostbite.
Huh?
And then I definitely warm your hands up every time afterwards, and you can see there's really no damage. I mean, it's cold. Now this stuff I would not recommend doing that with. It is definitely colder than water,
Oh my. Ugh.
but you can see his glove is still rubbery. It's cold. It's uncomfortable, but I don't feel any danger of my. He's 2, he's 6, and
Oh.
he's not screaming in pain. He likes to say "ow" a lot, but I mean that just means it's uncomfortable.
I'm gonna nip this in there.
But I
I'm
cannot
gonna
for
drop-
the life of me get this
I'm
alcohol
gonna drop
cold
this
enough
in there.
to shatter it.
Can I drop this in there?
No,
Why not?
that's just making a mess.
Ah.
So, comment down below if you know what I'm doing wrong, but I can't get this cold enough. I mean, like I said, it definitely takes a rubbery glove. These are nitro gloves. It definitely will take them and make them hard, but they won't shatter. Hey, don't put that on his face. That's not nice.
I'm gonna drop this in
So
there.
let's see. So, I mean, it's definitely hard. I mean, you can see it. It's definitely stiff.
He's dropping
Hold
it
it up.
in there.
But it's not too cold to handle. I mean, I can handle it as long as I move my fingers, but it's not shattering. I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
I
So,
want a big
Friday,
one.
I'm gonna be wearing leather. I was thinking about getting like welding gloves that go up to here. I don't know yet. I've never dealt with liquid nitrogen, so I imagine it's gotta be way colder than this.
Ah, ah, ah.
Oh, it's okay. It's just wet. It's just wet. You got cold hands though. So, I mean, cold water feels like came out of a fridge. This is, for comparison, I'll take this rubbery glove. I'll drop it here.
I'll take this rubbery glove and drop it in there.
No, we got one right here.
No, I'm gonna drop
And you
this
can
one.
see my hands in here. And it definitely gets stiffer, but I can't make it stand up like I was with the other glove.
Ooh.
It's still the consistency of nitro. Now this one here, it's been here a while. I mean, you can definitely see it's stiffer. I mean, I can pull the glove up, but it's not like shattered.
I need to borrow this.
So, well, I've got some alcohol and dry ice everywhere, but
I'm borrowing this too.
it's not cracking.
Okay.
I've put that down there. It is very cold though. It is definitely colder than that. I've tried paper. There's still tons. Hey, shut up. No, you know, these have both been in here for a while. They're cold.
Give me one.
Not as cold as a snowball. Or like a big
Give me one. Give me one.
but it's still
I'm
rubber.
gonna try to smash it.
So the alcohol does make it stiffer and less rubber-like, but it's still flexible. That's not gonna smash.
Why?
It's not even that cold.
Oh,
Alright, let's take the paper bowl. Grab some scissors because I can't seem to stick my fingers through this. Alright.
I dropped all three in.
Why did you drop that one in? That one's full of alcohol. Be careful with that, dude. This is rubbing alcohol and it's really cold. It's definitely colder than say yes? Alright. So I'm gonna stir it up a little. I gotta watch them very closely because like I said, this could definitely do some frostbite damage.
Do it.
I'll pour it out. It is definitely colder than anything I've dealt with before on dry ice level. So just to be safe,
Oh,
get this away from them and put the cap on. It is definitely colder. And it kind of looks like a gel. I don't know how well you can see that. Just holding the bowl alone is too cold to handle. So I'm gonna put that down. So we have our piece of paper. Let's see if I can fully submerge it. See if I can set it.
And that was my piece of paper. No, it's not.
It's okay.
It's not mine.
I'm gonna bring it over here because somebody's climbing on the table. Get down, please. It's been sitting there a while.
I need the pot.
Oh, we got frost on the outside. It's definitely. I've had this thing going for a while now.
Want to drink the
So
water?
the bottom is definitely
Drink
cold.
the water. Drink the
It
water.
is definitely frozen. I have icicles on the bottom.
Hey, I need it right here. I need it right here. I need the pot. What's up?
We're in Florida. I'm not too
Give
worried.
it, give it, give it.
Hey, if you guys are gonna fight over this, I'm gonna take it.
No, give it to me. We're not gonna fight over it.
So I'm gonna pull this out now. So this is paper with the alcohol, and it's still floppy. So I don't know. What am I doing wrong? From what I've seen on videos, though, this is nowhere near as cold as liquid nitrogen, and we're gonna find that out Friday. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.